How long does it take to cook ramen noodles? Cooking ramen noodles to perfection involves a delicate balance of time and technique, and the duration can vary depending on the type of ramen noodles you have, whether they are instant, fresh, or dry. Let's explore the nuances of cooking ramen noodles in detail. 1. Instant ramen noodles. Instant ramen noodles are renowned for their quick cooking time, making them a convenient choice for those seeking a swift and satisfying meal. Typically, the process involves boiling water and submerging the noodles, along with any accompanying flavorings or seasonings, in the hot water for a brief period. This could range from 2 to 4 minutes, but it's crucial to consult the package instructions for precise timing, as variations may exist among different brands and styles. 2. Fresh ramen noodles. Fresh ramen noodles, often found in the refrigerated section of grocery stores or specialty Asian markets, require a slightly different approach. They are usually more delicate and cook faster than their dried counterparts. Boiling these noodles can take as little as 1 to 3 minutes, but once again, consulting the packaging instructions is essential for achieving optimal texture and flavor. 3. Dried ramen noodles. Dried ramen noodles, commonly available in packaged form, necessitate a bit more time in the boiling water. The cooking time for dried noodles can range from 4 to 8 minutes, depending on the thickness and composition of the noodles. Checking for doneness by sampling a strand for the desired texture is a reliable method to ensure a perfectly cooked batch. 4. Consideration for texture. The ideal cooking time also hinges on personal preferences for noodle texture. Some may prefer a firmer, al dente consistency, while others may opt for a softer, more fully cooked texture. Adjusting the boiling time accordingly allows for a customized experience that aligns with individual taste preferences. 5. Post-boiling techniques. Once the ramen noodles have achieved the desired level of doneness, it's common to drain them immediately and rinse them under cold water. This halts the cooking process, prevents overcooking, and cools the noodles for easier handling or incorporation into various recipes. 6. Culinary creativity. Ramen noodles are not limited to a simple boil and serve approach. Culinary enthusiasts often explore creative cooking methods, such as stir-frying or incorporating them into soups and broths, allowing for an array of flavors and textures beyond the traditional boiling technique. In conclusion, mastering the art of cooking ramen noodles involves an understanding of the specific type of noodles at hand and a consideration of personal preferences for texture. Whether preparing instant, fresh, or dried ramen noodles, taking the time to follow package instructions and experimenting with various cooking techniques opens up a world of culinary possibilities, allowing individuals to tailor their noodle experience to their liking.